We can't secure the Velcro. And there's no pro tip. You already unboxed this. What do you think?
I don't know. I can't see anything because you're not helping me.
First impression, cannot see anything. There's the box. Ta-da! Is this the wrong color?
No, it's not on yet. It's movable, so it's not on yet.
We just unboxed some of these sections from the first shipment and we were like, hey, what the heck, we're missing some pieces. Lo and behold, here's the rest of the order. Oh, hey, you can just leave it right there. Yeah. Thank you. So these look like the covers for the sofas. We're still missing 4 back pieces. Either we're doing something wrong or it's a design flaw or maybe a little bit of both. I wonder if as we use this more and more, this gets a little bit more broken. Lots of pulling and finagling. This is the final product here for the sides that are put on pretty well here. And then this 4th side. And we've got the rest of the shipment arriving here on day 3. So here we are putting the rest of it together. Here's what it comes down to. Did the product meet our initial expectations? Yes, it came in 3 shipments, but yes, we're happy. Did the time and effort required to put it together meet our expectations? Yes, we knew logically that it would take 3 hours. It felt like forever, but yes, overall, yeah, it was in the ballpark of expectations. The look, feel, and craftsmanship, it passed. There was something weird about the feet and the shoe, just because we're not used to that. Never assembled furniture that came together like that, but yeah, overall, it was pretty much what we expected. Are we gonna keep it? Are we gonna return it? At this point, we're probably gonna keep it. I'm gonna be doing a video that goes more in depth about how to put it together, so if you're interested in that, consider subscribing to keep updated, and we'll do another review in about 2 months or so after we've gotten a chance to use the couch. So thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful for you. Leave a comment in the section below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.